To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the 5 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5220 filter into the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.